Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm about to unbox this UHD monitor from Walmart and this Logitech from Walmart as well. Alright, so first thing you see, oh damn. Okay, so this is like the first thing you see. Oh man, I'm making a mess already. I just lifted this up, but yeah, that's the monitor right there. As you can see, it says Samsung, so give me 1 second. Let me take this out of the box. All right, I just removed the monitor. So what's in the back? You get the stand, wall adapter. All right. What else we get? Ooh, nice. It comes with an HDMI. That's cool. All right. And this is, I don't know what. I gotta check this out. Give me 1 second. By the way, this is how it looks like, the monitor. All right, I'm gonna set up the stand, and this is like another stand, I guess you would say. This connects to that and connects to this, so yeah. Okay, so I'm guessing you just slide it in just like that, and now we just connect it to this stand right here. Okay, so now we connected this mini stand to this stand, so you just tighten it, turn all the way to the right to just tighten it up, and yeah, let's see how it looks. We got 2 HDMIs, DP in, audio jack, and where the power goes through. Oh, also you have this button right here. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Originally I wanted to go for a 27-inch, but hey, you know what, this is all that we got. So yeah, also I work at Walmart, so I do get like a little discount. But yeah, you know what, let's put it to the side of, let's put this to the side of it. Let's just see how big it is. Yeah, it's pretty big for a 30. It's a 32-inch. It's not the biggest, but you know, it is what it is. So now let me try to turn this thing on, and also let me try to set that up. So I'll be right back. All right, so I just turned it on. I don't have anything connected to it, but yeah, I mean, at least the screen is good. So all right, so I'm guessing this is like for like the bass, the subwoofer, I would say, and these are the 2 speakers. So yeah, let me figure this out. So I already set up the speakers. There's the subwoofer down there. I still gotta like arrange the wiring and stuff. That's why I got some zip ties right there. I'm gonna do something off camera, but yeah, so you can see I don't like all that stuff, so I gotta make it nice and neat. But I just wanted to show you how it'll look. So far it's looking pretty good, and let me just set up my PS4 and let's see how this bad boy looks. Oh yeah, also this is like a little remote for the speaker, by the way. So yeah. All right, I got the PS4 set up. Let's turn it on. Nice. I gotta definitely change the brightness, man, but so far it looks good. I mean, it's a nice setup. It's an okay setup, man. I mean, it's not the best. I mean, I still gotta fix all the wiring and shit. I gotta do some stuff with it, but I mean, overall it's not bad. You know, it's pretty thin, I would say. I gotta turn on these bad boys in a minute, but other than that, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace out, guys. All right, last video before I get copyrighted. Speakers are good, they're pretty good, so yeah, peace out, guys.